Are you approaching retirement or already enjoying your golden years? Retirement should be a time of relaxation and enjoyment, but for many, the fear of outliving their savings or keeping up with the rising cost of living can cast a shadow over these precious years. If you find yourself worried about your financial future, you're not alone. Hello, I'm Ted Morrow, and I'm here to share some important information that can help you secure your financial future during retirement. Introducing the Cash Flow Association, a community dedicated to helping you build and maintain a secure financial future. With us, you get access to seasoned experts who can guide you through smart investment strategies. Our proven plans will help you maximize your savings and generate passive income. Plus, you'll be part of a supportive community of like-minded individuals who share your goals and challenges. Don't let financial worries overshadow your retirement. Join the Cash Flow Association today and take control of your financial future. Click the link below to join our community and start securing your financial future now. The Cash Flow Association, your partner in financial security during retirement. Together, we can make your retirement the best years of your life. Are you ready to take control of your financial future and enjoy a worry-free retirement? Join the Cash Flow Association today and gain access to expert guidance, proven plans, and a supportive community that understands your goals. Scan the link here or click the link below to learn more and become part of our thriving community. Make sure to join while it's still free.